Hey everybody, this is Moon Sign Gemini, and as you all know, Kat has been out the hospital not even a month, and she is back to her old habits and being used and abused by people who don't mean her any good. She has now been with this young lady by the name of Ruby for the past 5 days. Ruby is someone who wants to be a rapper. I for the past 5 days, Kat has been on this girl's coattail in this house with these other people. And now this girl Ruby says she has three girlfriends. And now Kat says she's in a poly relationship because her girlfriend wants a poly relationship and she says she wants one too. And in this clip, the girl tries to get both of the girls in the live at the same time, but the other girl is not willing. But then later on, there's another girl that comes up and she's willing to
Got
be
three
in the
girlfriends.
live with the other girl. And Kat is promoting the other girl and say the other girl is her girlfriend as well. But it seems like the people that are around are laughing and having a good time getting clout off Kat. And it's a very sad situation because Kat is being mean to the people who've been in her corner and who have her best interest at heart. And she doesn't seem to care. She knows that when these people get what they want, the followers that they desire or it's not working for them, they will be gone because it has happened before. We have all seen it before. This young lady right here is not wrapped too well. We all can see that. So look at this next clip and I'll be back with some more that I have. This is when they were dancing before the game night that was later on that evening.
It's electric it's gas. Like Paragon. It really is both. The first ever Lexus RX plug-in hybrid.